Hello, our lovely students. Welcome back to the Chill English channel, the place where learning English feels easy, fun, and super chill.
Hey friends, we're really happy you're here with us again. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. It helps us a lot to keep making great lessons for you.
That's right. Today, we're going to a place that most people love, the coffee shop.
Ah, coffee. Just hearing that word makes me happy already.
Me too. So today, we're going to learn how to order coffee in English and sound natural while doing it.
Yeah, because ordering something simple like a coffee can be stressful if you don't know what to say. But don't worry, we'll make it easy and fun.
Imagine walking into a cozy cafe. You smell the fresh coffee, you hear soft music, and you see friendly people chatting around.
You go up to the counter, and it's your turn to order. What do you say? You can start with something simple like, "I'd like a coffee, please," or "Can I have a latte, please?"
Exactly. Those are short and polite. But if you want to sound a bit more natural, you can say, "Could I get a cappuccino, please?" Or "I'll have an iced coffee, please."
Both sound great. "Could I get" and "I'll have" are very common in English when ordering food or drinks.
And always remember to say please. It's a small word, but it makes you sound polite and friendly.
Right. You don't need to sound too formal, just warm and natural.
And when the barista gives you your drink or says the price, you can reply with thanks, or thank you so much, or even thanks a lot.
Yeah, all of those sound nice. If someone wishes you a good day, you can reply, "Thanks, you too." That's an easy way to sound friendly.
Exactly. It's those small, natural answers that make your English sound confident.
You might also hear a question like, "For here or to go?" That means, do you want to drink it here or take it away?
You can answer, "For here, please," or "To go, please." It's super simple, but it's one of those things you'll hear all the time in English-speaking countries.
And when you're ordering, you can also add details. For example, "Could I get a latte with soy milk, please?" Or, "I'll have an Americano with a little sugar, please."
That's right. You can change it however you like. It's normal to say how you want your drink.
Some people even say things like, "Can I get a small cappuccino?" Or, "Could I have a large latte with no sugar, please?"
Perfect examples. These small words, small, large, with, without, help you be more specific and natural.
Another nice thing to do is greet the person before ordering. You can say, "Hi there," or "Hey, how's it going?" before your order.
Yes, that's so common in English. You can say, "Hi, could I get a mocha, please?" It sounds polite and friendly at the same time.
And if the cafe is busy, sometimes you can say, "No rush, take your time," or "I'll wait, no problem." That shows good manners and confidence.
Oh, I love that. It's so natural and kind. Small phrases like that make a big difference in daily English.
Definitely. Ordering coffee is not just about the drink, it's also a great way to practice speaking. You can use greetings, polite phrases, and simple questions all in one short conversation.
And that's what makes it so useful. You can practice every time you go out. Even if you're nervous, just smile and say your order slowly and clearly.
That's true. And don't worry about making mistakes. People are usually very friendly, especially in coffee shops.
Exactly. Most baristas will understand you even if your accent is strong. What matters is that you try.
So, when you walk into your next cafe, take a deep breath and say something like, "Hi there, could I get a latte, please?"
Or, "Hey, I'll have a cappuccino, please." That's it. You'll sound confident and polite.
And when you get your coffee, don't forget to say thank you with a smile. It always feels nice for both sides.
Totally. English and daily life is really about small, friendly interactions like this.
Yeah, and the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Soon you'll be ordering your coffee like a native speaker.
Now I really want one. Let's sit down and enjoy it for a bit.
Good idea. Let's take a break and relax for a moment.
Perfect. Nothing better than good coffee and good company.
Ah, this coffee tastes amazing. There's just something special about sitting in a cafe, right?
Totally. The smell, the music, the sound of people talking, it's such a nice atmosphere.
Yeah, and honestly, cafes are great places to practice English too.
Exactly. You can listen to how people order, how they talk to each other, or even try to have a small chat with someone.
True. And once you've learned the basic way to order, the next step is learning how to customize your order.
Ooh, that's a good one, because everyone has their own coffee style. Some people want it strong, others want it sweet.
Right. So let's say you want to change something about your drink. You can use phrases like with or without.
For example, could I get a latte with almond milk? Or I'll have a cappuccino without sugar.
Perfect examples. You can also say, can I get an extra shot of espresso if you want your coffee stronger?
Or, could I have less sugar, please? That's a polite way to ask for something lighter.
Yeah, less and extra are two really useful words when you order food or drinks.
You can even say, could you make it decaf if you don't want caffeine?
Or, can I get it with soy milk instead? That word instead shows that you want to change something.
Exactly. Let's give our students a few more natural examples. You can say, I'll have a small latte with oat milk, please. Could I get a large iced coffee with no sugar? Or, can I have a cappuccino with extra foam, please?
All those sound natural and polite. And notice that we usually put please at the end. It's small but powerful.
Definitely. It keeps the tone friendly. And when the barista repeats your order to check, you can say, yes, that's right, or exactly.
Or even just perfect. That sounds very natural too.
Oh, and sometimes they might ask for your name to write on the cup. You can say, it's Sophia, or my name's Jake.
Yeah, I always get my name written wrong somehow. Last time they wrote Jack.
Oh no, that happens a lot. My name becomes Sophia with an F.
It's okay though. It's part of the fun. And actually, that's another great chance to practice English. Spelling your name.
True. You can say, it's Sophia, Sofiaa. That's clear and polite.
Exactly. You can even make a joke about it, like, people always spell it wrong. That kind of small talk feels friendly.
I love that. Small talk can make you feel more comfortable and confident.
And if you go to the same coffee shop often, you can start to build small conversations with the staff.
Yeah, like, hey, how's your day going? Or, you guys busy today? Simple, friendly questions.
Those little chats help your English sound natural. It's not about perfect grammar, it's about connection.
Exactly. And the more you do it, the easier it feels. Soon, it becomes natural, like saying hello to a friend.
And if you ever don't understand what the barista says, don't panic. You can just say, sorry, could you say that again, please?
Or, I'm sorry, what does that mean? People will always help you. They're usually very kind.
That's right. Most people love when someone is trying to speak English. So don't be shy, just smile and ask.
I agree. Confidence doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It means trying, even if you make small mistakes.
Totally. Even native speakers make mistakes when ordering sometimes.
So true. I once asked for a small cappuccino, and they gave me a large one. I just smiled and said, that's okay.
Same here. Sometimes they ask questions so fast, I have to pause and think for a second.
And that's okay too. You can always say, give me a second, please, or let me think for a moment. It sounds natural and polite.
Yeah, those small phrases make a big difference. They show you're calm and confident.
I think one of the best things about coffee shops is that you can use so much daily English there. Greetings, orders, small talk, everything.
It's like a real classroom, but tastier.
Ha! Yes! And with better smells.
Definitely. Every cup of coffee can be a mini English lesson if you pay attention.
That's such a nice way to think about it. Learning English doesn't always need books. It's everywhere, even in your morning coffee.
Exactly. All you need is curiosity and practice.
So, next time you go to a cafe, listen, smile, and order with confidence.
And enjoy every sip. You earned it.
Totally! English and coffee, the perfect mix.
Couldn't agree more.
You know, Jake, talking about this makes me want to go grab another cup right now.
Same here. Maybe after this recording, we should actually go get one. We can call it field research.
Haha, I like that idea. But before we do, let's help our students a little more. How about we talk about common mistakes people make when ordering coffee in English?
Ooh, good one. I've heard many learners say things like, I want coffee, which sounds a bit too direct.
Right. It's not wrong, but it's better to say, I'd like a coffee, or can I have a coffee, please? It sounds more polite and natural.
Exactly. I'd like is a magic phrase. You can use it anywhere, cafes, restaurants, shops, and you'll always sound friendly.
Another one I often hear is give me, like give me a latte. It sounds strong in English. Better to say, could I get a latte, please?
Yeah, that one's softer. English speakers like using polite forms. It makes the conversation smoother.
And don't forget pronunciation. Many students say latte, but it's actually latte.
Oh, good point. And espresso, not espresso. There's no X in it.
Exactly. Those small pronunciation details make you sound more confident.
You can also listen carefully when the barista repeats your order. That's a great chance to check your pronunciation and learn.
Totally. And if you want to sound extra natural, try connecting your words. Instead of can I have, you can say can I have quickly, like can I've.
Or I'll have becomes I'll have. Like I'll have a cappuccino. Though that one's a bit fast, it's how people really speak.
Right. You don't have to speak super fast, just natural and relaxed.
Exactly. Fluency isn't speed, it's comfort.
I love that. And remember, learning English in real life, like in a coffee shop, is one of the best ways to grow.
Yeah, because you connect it to real experiences. When you say, could I get a cappuccino, while actually ordering one, it sticks in your memory.
That's so true. It's not just words, it's emotions, smell, sound, everything.
It's like your brain learns through the senses. That's why learning English should feel alive, not like a list of rules.
Exactly. And the more you use it, the more it becomes a part of you, just like your morning coffee routine.
Yeah, wake up, speak English, drink coffee. Perfect day.
Totally. And you know, one more useful tip for learners, if you don't know how to describe something, you can explain it another way.
Right. Like if you forget the word whipped cream, you can say the white sweet thing on top. People will understand.
Yes, that's a great skill, describing instead of stopping. Communication always wins over perfection.
Absolutely. Don't freeze. Just describe, smile, and keep talking. That's how real English works.
I love that. And remember, friends, every time you speak, even if it's just ordering coffee, you're improving your English.
You're building confidence, learning rhythm, and getting used to natural conversation.
Step by step, cup by cup.
Yeah, exactly.
So, to our listeners, keep practicing, enjoy your English moments, and never be afraid to talk.
That's right. Mistakes are part of the process. Just like sometimes spilling a bit of coffee. You clean it up and move on.
Exactly. And with that, maybe now we can finally go for that coffee, Jake.
Yes, please. I'll order this time. Politely, of course.
Deal.
And to everyone listening, thank you for joining us at the Chill English channel. We hope today's episode helps you speak more confidently next time you're at a coffee shop.
Yes, keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
See you soon, friends.
Bye, everyone, and enjoy your coffee and your English.